dear students, in this section we will see next practical. The aim of this practical is program to find factorial of given number using recursive procedure. So what is factorial of a number? Factorial of a number is a multiplication of all the positive integer less than m. Okay, so for example, the factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so here this is the program for factorial of given number. So here the input messages are enter the number, message 2 is factorial is, and message 3 is enter the number between 0 to 8. Okay, and here this is for initialization of data segment. These three statements are used to display the message, that is enter the number. Then this is a read procedure which is used to take the input from the keyboard. Okay, after taking the input, now we will see read procedure. So this is the read procedure. It is a near procedure as it is written in the same segment. This 01h function is used to take the input from the keyboard, and now we will check it with the 39h because we want the input from 0 to 9 only. So if the number is not between 0 to 9, then it will display the error that enter the number between 0 to 9. Okay, after inputting the or after taking the input to 0 to 9, it will subtract 30 from it, because if we are taking the input from keyboard, it will take the ASCII value. For example, if I have entered or if I have pressed the key 5, then it will take the ASCII value of 5, that is 35. So we don't want 35, we want 5. So it is necessary to subtract 30 from it, and then here we will get our input. Okay, after taking the input, yes, after taking the input, that input is in AL register. Okay, so now we have initialized AX as 0 and AH as 0. Then call factorial procedure is called here. So what is factorial procedure? See, if your bx is 0 0 h, then jump if equals 0, so it will jump on the label 0, and as we know the factorial of 0 is 1, so it will move bl comma 0 1 h, it will move 0 1 8 into it, and if it is not 0, then it will multiply with bx, means mul bx will multiply ax and bx. It will multiply ax into bx. Okay, and it again decrement the bx contain the input. For example, our input is 5, so bx contains this 5 input, and it will decremented by 1 in each iteration, and it will multiply this, means it will multiply 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and now our input is in ax and bx register. Now here we get our factorial that we will push into the move x comma 0 1 h, as we are multiplying the number, so we have to initialize it by 1. Okay, so now our factorial, we have to print our factorial, so that number is in AH and AL register, means in AX register. So we will print one by one. First we will print AH, and then we will print AL register. See here, this is AH and this is AL. Okay, so the printing logic is we have to print it in hex number. So here the same logic, that we have to multiply it by 0f0 first. After that we have to rotate it by 4 and compare it with 09, as we want to print it in hex, so we have to compare it with 09H. For example, our 5 factorial is sorry, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is 120, right? It is 120 in decimal. So it is 78 in hex. Okay. So our answer is 78 in the hex. So if we want to print this 78, so first we will print 7. So that is why we have to multiply it by 0f 0h. Okay, then it will generate our input as 70, but we require 7. So this is the 4 counter is taken here, and it will rotate this 70 and it will make that 70 as 01. It means it will interchange the bits. Okay, now as we want to print it in hex, so it will compare, see, it will compare with 09H. If that number is between 0 to 9, then it will add 30, otherwise it will add 37H. See, this is a 37H for converting the number into hex. Now we have printed 7, now 8. So to print the 8, we have to multiply it by 0f. So this is the 0fh, then compare with 09H. If it is greater than 9, then add 37. If it is less than 9, then add 30. Okay, so this is how we will print our factorial of a number. Okay, so this is the logic. So first we have taken the input, then we have calculated the factorial, and then we have print our output. Okay, now we will run our program. So this is the command prompt. Okay, now our program is in C:\masum. So we will go at that directory cd/cd masum. Okay, so first command is m2. The name of our file is fact.asm. Errors are 0. Next command is l2, which is used to link fact.obj. Enter, and the last command is fact.exe. Okay, so list our input is 5, so the factorial is 78h in hex. If our input is 3, then the factorial is 6. Okay, so this is the program for calculating the factorial of given number. Okay, so thank you so much.